talking about the demon snores. Sometimes they get worse, like really, really worse. I love you, honey, but god damn it, it's not really that. I love you, I love you. Well, this concludes our show for tonight.